I started this channel about 4 weeks ago, and the feedback has been great. Unfortunately, I did start a playlist called the API Management where I'm teaching on the team called Educate. And well, let's just say that I did not do the most important thing by defining APIs. So let's fake that today. What are APIs? Let's just say that if the internet were to be a city or a state, APIs will be the roads, the traffic lights, the bridges, and those components that essentially make the city work. Stand for Application Programming Interface. It's how software talks to one another. Think about your ChatGPT, how it retrieves information from various platforms. Think about your Instagram, how it retrieves information from other platforms. I'm sure that this is a bit still confusing to you, so let's dive into it. Here's the truth. You essentially use APIs every day, and let me prove that to you. When you order food on Uber Eats, you use a payment method like PayPal or Apple Pay. You use Google Maps when you get on your Uber, you use Google Maps to navigate your journey. You use ChatGPT and you ask a question and the answer is generated from somewhere. All of these are API calls or multiple API calls being made. Now, let's get into it. Step one, think of APIs as waiters. They carry your request to the backend, which is the engine or the kitchen, and bring back the response through data or a user interface. By user interface, I mean web, mobile, things of that nature. Step two, know the structure of an API. Most APIs are RESTful. RESTful is the most popular one. This means they are predictable and they have predictable parts like users, orders, and they use verbs get, post, put, delete. Step three, consider how APIs enable innovation. Instead of building from scratch, you're considering a scenario whereby I can, as opposed to building a payment system or building AI or messaging feature from a third party, learn how to use or design them. Whether you're a developer, PM, or founder, you need to understand how APIs work. It's like knowing how engines run under the hood. So essentially, what we're saying here is APIs are the invisible infrastructure of the digital world, and understanding them essentially unlocks your future. So, whether it's AI, payments, learning, as long as it's two systems, they need to speak to one another, and it's APIs that are doing. That's not going to change today, and it's not going to change tomorrow. So, if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment. If you're building new APIs, there's a playlist below that you can simply just watch and build perfect APIs. So, this is Tochii. I'm here to inspire, empower, and help you become a better version of yourself. See you in the next video.